Morning, it's the 23rd of May 2010. This is the Mark II Cessna, right? And as you can see, the wings have been done and better fixed. Elastic bands, proper elastic bands on them. A bigger engine, about twice the size of the Enya 19, and hopefully we're going to go to Newtown today, and that's another test flight, so it's looking good. Hopefully it doesn't come back as a pile of matchwood. Right. Bands on there. So Tiger Thunder engine that Dad got me from the Mum and Dad got me for my birthday. While they were in just Superman, didn't they? Where were they, Ange?
Western-super-Mare.
Western-super-Mare, that's the one, yeah. So, there you go. I just hope it can survive today. And there's some testing to do as well. You've got to take the thing off, do a figure of 8, and other stuff, and land it in the landing field, and then you've passed your airworthiness certificate. So we'll see about that then.
Done.
There goes the Mark II flight. Oh no! Hang on, it stopped.
Hold the tail for me, right? Just to get it so it doesn't bog down on the grass. Just give it a gentle push. Well, you can even rock it like that. And then when I give you the nod, push it.
Fuck's sake, it's going.
Got about 15 minutes worth of.
Well, I don't know where it'd be in the air.
I'm timing it to 5 past 6.
I can't even see it.
Oh, deadstick.
What's that? Huh.
Mind that side, mind that side. I'm going to need to turn in from that side.
Deadstick.
Perfect. Don't you worry about it.
Fuck's sake.
Someone's going to have to go walkies.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Go again, yeah. Now you're saying that as far away as possible, like it, Chris. That's fantastic.
Jesus.
Sorry, I just didn't want to land.
Yeah.
I could have made another turn on the glide. I just didn't realise I was going to glide through it. And that post.
Oh yeah, you missed the post.
I lifted up for the post, and then that's when I went further.
I wonder why it suddenly shot up.
It sounded good on
a fantastic job.
Well done for that. What happened to?
Where's the wind
Did it
gone
just stop then, or what?
The deadstick. It's a new engine.
Yeah.
They do that.